Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Het Paleis Het Loo. This is the way we say Paleis Het Loo. Paleis Het Loo. So there isn't really any emphasis in this name. Just make sure that you don't pronounce Loo the English way. Paleis Het Loo. Paleis Het Loo. Het Paleis Het Loo dates from 1684 and has been a stately museum since 1984. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!